The easiest way to find out if your boyfriend wants a kiss is to ask him. But if you're feeling too shy or nervous to ask directly, you may be able to tell by looking at his body language. For instance, if you catch him looking deep into your eyes, gazing at your lips, or leaning in close as he's talking to you, he might be hoping for a kiss. If he's nervous, you might also notice him fidgeting, playing with his hair, or biting his lip. Pay attention to his words and his tone of voice, too. If he starts speaking in a soft voice or whispering sweet compliments like, "You look so beautiful right now," then he's probably thinking about moving in for a smooch. He might also get quiet, since a pause in the conversation is often a good time for a kiss. If you're pretty sure your boyfriend wants you to kiss him, try leaning in close. You can also put your hand on his arm or even reach up and caress his face. Make eye contact and let your lips relax, then move your face close to his. If he's ready for a kiss, he'll probably lean in and press his lips to yours. If he's not feeling it, he may pull away, and that's okay. Don't try to force it if he's not comfortable or in the mood. Your boyfriend is more likely to want to kiss you when you're both feeling relaxed and comfortable, so wait for a time when you can have some privacy and won't be distracted. Look for ways to get close to him, like asking him to hug you or snuggling up for warmth on a chilly evening. If you're still not getting anywhere, just have a talk with him. Say something like, "I'd love to kiss you right now, is that okay?" If he says yes, go for it.